Hello students. So in this video we are going to discuss about the notification released with regards to vacant seats by NLU Ranchi, which is also called NUSRL Ranchi. Now if we come to this website, right, Lawprep website, where we have maintained a dedicated page, there you will get to see all the notifications and will also update all the future vacancies also. Right now, if you click at the notification here, right, you'll be taken to the notification. Let's read the notification and try to understand the terms of the notification. Now, the first thing that is to be mentioned here is that there is no as such cutoff rank, right, for applying for vacant seats in this particular university. That means you don't need to be having a cutoff rank below something, right, or a rank below something in order to avail. That means as long as you are making the fee payment and you are filling the required application, then you can avail this particular set of seats that are vacant seats. Now let's look at the number of vacant seats that are available. Under All India category, we have 9 general seats which are available. Under EWS 1, All India EWS 1, All India OBC 2 seats, All India SC 3 seats, and All India ST 1 seat. Similarly, for students who are from Jharkhand, that means they have Jharkhand domicile, they have 1 general, 1 BC, and 1 ST category. Now, what are the other important details that are mentioned in the notification? One, the last date to fill this particular application is 17th of June 2024 by 4 p.m. So make sure that you fill this particular application before that, right? Second, what is the fee payment that is required to be done here? A 500 rupees non-refundable amount, right, has to be submitted as fee in order to express your interest, right, and it will not be refunded. Now, how do you do that? Before that, let's look at the other aspect. Now, one more important date that has been specified in this regard is 24th of June, right? Now, that means 17th of June 2024 is the last day to fill the application. 19th of June 2024 will be the day on which the first merit list will be released out of those students who have filled the expression, right? Out of them, a merit list will be drawn based on All India rank, right? Out of those students who have their name in the merit list, they have to make a payment of the college fee, right? You have to pay the college fee, that is 2,61,000 on or before 24th June in order to lock the seat that you got in the first vacant merit list, right? Now let's get back to the application form and see how to fill the application form. See, application form can be reached out during the notification. At the same time, you can use our website wherein we have mentioned, right, this particular link. So if you click on application link, you will be taken to this link, right? Anyhow, once you reach the application link, there are certain basic information that are required to be filled here. Two set of information is very important that actually betters your position. How? These two fields, residency type and category. If you are from Jharkhand and if you miss out, right, suppose you had a Jharkhand domicile and if you miss out to mention Jharkhand here, right, then you cannot avail any of the reservation, right? State reservation is separately given. If you are ST and availing seat under All India and you are ST availing seat under Jharkhand domicile ST category, there will be huge rank difference. So make sure that you correctly reflect the domicile from where you belong, right? Apart from that, Clat registration number, roll number, All India rank and score have to be mentioned here, and then you have to press on I agree and then you have to proceed, right? Once you submit this particular button, I haven't filled all the detail here. Once you fill it, I have done this earlier. So what happens is, once you fill it, once you press the submit button, you will be taken to the payment gateway where you are required to pay the 500 rupees amount that has been mentioned in the notification. Remember, there is this 500 non-refundable amount that you are required to pay. That directly after submitting this particular form, directly you will be taken to the payment gateway and you can make the required payment there, right? These are the things that are mentioned in the notification. But despite this, if you find any difficulty in filling the application or understanding any terms of the notification, you can reach out to us using the comment box. I hope that this video was useful. Will bring further videos as and when the vacant seats will be released by the respective entities. Thank you so much.